Hey guys, we are going to make the train again, but instead of making that little point, we are going to make a passenger car. And you know what that looks like, so we are going to do it for you. If you haven't watched my train video, you should watch it. It's pretty crazy. It kind of went crazy. Because I didn't know what to do. If you haven't watched that video yet, you should, because we're trying to make a full train here. If you want to learn how to make one of these, then make two of them, because I want you to learn how to make a full origami train. So please make two of these and draw the little windows. And it'll be perfect. You can either use this video or you can go in the library and use this book. Origami on the Move. And then you can flip pages until you get to the spot where up here it says train. Alright, now that I've done that, because I've been there, oh boy, I'm trying to fold two here. I'm not going to use this yellow. I'm using this one, please. Hope it works. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. That was kind of weird from the that was kind of weird. You should go check out Colin's Key and making squishy through that candy. He did that kind of the same way, but in a little bit like a cooler experience. Like a chosen fish. You did it. After that, you just fold in the corners. You just did the same thing in the train, except you don't do step 5, 6, or 7. You got it. Well, do it on the other side too. This is a passenger car. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.